Good morning, Fly Babies. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and today is Monday, and we have a 3-layer cake today. So we're going to do our 3-layer cake so that we'll have peace in our life, control in our home, and we'll finally learn to love ourselves. All right, so here we go. We're going to fly, F-L-Y, finally loving yourself. And we're going to start with our 3-layer cake. First layer, routines. We have 5 of them today. Morning routine, laundry routine, paper routine, after dinner routine, before bed routine. That's the same every day except Saturday and Sunday. Okay, then we have our weekly plan. Our weekly plan on Monday is our weekly home blessing hour. So yesterday I talked to you about either planning to do it yourself this morning or delegating it to your children in little parts so that it happens throughout the week. That's mainly for people who are payroll. There's absolutely nothing wrong if you are home with splitting the jobs with your children and doing them together, even if it takes 30 minutes instead of 10 for their one little job. They're going to be doing 3 little jobs. That's fine because we have 3 little jobs. We have garbage can emptying, we have dusting, and we have wiping the spots off the glass. Those are the 3 little jobs. The big jobs for you are stripping your bed and washing your sheets and putting them back on, and mopping the floors. But before I do that, vacuuming or sweeping hard surfaces or carpets. And that's it. That's it. So you're going to get that done this morning, or you're going to delegate it with your children throughout the week. You're going to do your own bed. Do that on Saturday. Okay? All right. And then the next thing we're going to do is our zone. And the zone we're in today is zone 2, the kitchen. Yay. So yesterday I told you to write down 4 jobs for the kitchen. Today you're going to do one of those jobs in the kitchen if you don't have clutter. I'm praying you don't have clutter. If you have clutter, you can't clean the kitchen. Until the clutter is decluttered, you can't clean your kitchen. You can't deep clean it. So we're going to do decluttering for 15 minutes with a follow-up of putting it away, throwing it away, or giving it away. Always complete the process. But if you don't have that issue, excellent. Do your one job that takes 10 minutes or less in your kitchen, and you're done. The next thing you have to do is listen for your laundry, put it in the dryer, fold it, hang it up, and put it away. That's when you've done the laundry. And then the last thing you have to do is just wait until this evening when you prepare your meal, and then after dinner routine and before bed routine. So if you're working, you're going to do the same thing, morning routine, kids' morning routine, and then you're going to go to work. But you're going to delegate some things, and when you're at work, you're going to call and remind them again, and one more time on your way home. And then when you get home, you're going to inspect what you expected, and those things should be done. It should come with an addendum of consequence. If they don't do this thing, then they're agreeing to give up their phone or whatever it is that they love so much so that they'll get it done. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to be overly critical of them. They won't want to do it. If it seems too hard at the time, they'll say, I'd rather give up my phone, until the reality hits that they have to give up their phone. So don't make it too hard. It's easy. It's not perfection that we're looking for. We're looking for effort. And we're looking for their level of ability, okay? Next, we're going to do our laundry. So you're going to start your laundry, and then you're going to go through an inch of paper. Now take this opportunity to do a quick clutter check through the house and make sure that there's no unthinking kind of clutter, the kind of clutter where people don't realize they've left things, and just address it. Have the people come pick those things up, including you, miss, if you came inside the house and dropped things on the counter. Let's get that put away. Complete that. And then we go ahead and start our dinner. And while dinner is simmering or holding or whatever, you can work for your 10 minutes in the kitchen. And you are done until before bed routine. So you've got after dinner routine, of course, but that's a family affair. And then the before bed routine. Before bed routine, again, for children is give them a 30-minute reminder and a 5-minute reminder. Make sure you give them whatever additional jobs you want them to have, like making lunch or feeding the dog. And then they're going to, well, before that, they're going to pick up their stuff, their dishes, their forks, their spoons, their cups, and it's going to go in the sink to be washed by them if they're old enough, or you if they're not, or put in the dishwasher, one or the other. Okay, and that means washed immediately. That doesn't mean that you get to put that off till the morning. And neither do they. Okay, next, because you're giving them a decent bedtime and you're giving them a decent amount of time to get ready for bed, nobody's too tired. They can do this. If they're too tired, maybe they need to start going to bed even earlier. Okay, next we're going to do, so they're doing their dishes or whatever, and then they're going to pick up their toys, their games, their blankets, their trash, whatever it is that they've created around them, the nest they've created when they were playing, or if they're older, the nest they created while they were playing. Put their things away, and then pick out a book, go get their PJs, go in the bathroom, take a bath or a shower, brush their teeth, wipe the sink out, hang their towel up, hang their bath towel up, comb their hair, put on their pajamas, make sure their dirty clothes go in the dirty clothes before they take their bath. And then climb in bed, and we're going to read stories. 2 chapters is the max I would recommend. I would say 1 is probably perfectly fine, and 1 book, 2 would be the max. That would be perfectly fine, but whatever you choose, just know they're going to always want that. All right, and if they're older, they can read to themselves, or you can read to the whole batch of kids. It doesn't matter. That's it. Now when it's time for bed, they're going to go to bed. I mean, they're already in the bed, but now they can roll over and go to sleep. Kisses all around. Good night, sweet dreams. Love you, see you in the morning. And then you get to go get yourself ready for bed. If it's time. If there's still not time for you to get ready for bed, allow yourself 30 minutes before your bedtime. 30 minutes so you can get these things done. Don't wait until it's bedtime and then try to do them. You'll be too tired, or you'll stay up too late. Okay, so 30 minutes before, let's say you need to be in bed by 10 o'clock and you feel great and you don't want to get ready for bed yet, you feel invigorated, you drank too much coffee, whatever. 9:30 is your absolute drop dead time. That's it, 9:30. All right, so hopefully you do it before then, but at 9:30 you quickly make your lunch for tomorrow if that's something you have to do, or take care of what other little jobs you have. And then you're going to go in the bathroom, you're going to wash your face, you're going to moisturize your skin, you're going to brush your teeth, you're going to clean out your sink, just make sure you didn't leave it yucky. Hang up your hand towel, take your shower or your bath, comb the day out of your hair, and then you're going to put your PJs on, you're going to put your dirty clothes in the dirty clothes, hang up anything that's still clean, let it air out, go into the kitchen, finish up in there by putting the dishes in putting the soap in the dishwasher if you haven't already, and turning it on. Your other little dishes were already washed when you put the kids in bed. You came right back in there and washed those dishes. Yes, you did. All right, next is you're going to close the curtains, turn off the lights, go get in your bed, relax, and then at 10 o'clock, roll over and go to sleep. So if you don't have enough time to do the other things you want to do when you get in bed, like read or listen to a video or whatever, a YouTube channel thing or whatever, then you're going to have to go to get your earlier getting ready for bedtime, okay? All right, we're going to keep addressing this every single day this summer. So you're going to have this before bed routine down pat. All right, have a wonderful Monday, and always remember that you are beautiful.